come to a close, I would like to invoke the greatest storyteller of our day, Taylor Swift. How does Taylor Swift make us care? She feels it all. And then she tells stories, both through her songs and how she lives her life, which is a story unto itself, unfolding every day, that make us feel it all. In fact, Taylor Swift personifies the three guiding principles we've seen today. She makes it human. She expresses emotions and experiences that people, millions of people around the world, can relate to, even if we can't relate to her fame and her fortune. She's also incredibly authentic. She lives by her values. She knows what they are, and she lives by them. She listens to her heart to find her story, and in the reverse of Liquid Death, she has turned her character into a brand, showing how interchangeable the two are. But let's not forget the tattoo on Lulu's leg. Feel it all. I hope everyone here today has felt it all. That was my goal, to show how feeling it all is at the heart of telling stories that make people care. The craft and science are super important, because without them, it's really hard to do that. But it all starts with feeling it all ourselves, and then helping others feel it all. I knew it. I'm feeling something right now. So I urge everyone here to feel it all, to work that into the stories you tell at work and outside of work, and to listen with an open, engaged heart so that you can hear what others are feeling as well. Thank you.